morning students, welcome to online class. In the last class, exercise 7.2, 5-6 sums completed. Now write down problem number 7 in 7.2. What is problem number 7 in 7.2? Find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining a minus 4 comma 0 and b 0 comma 6 into 4 equal parts. See the problem again. Read the problem. Very important problem, and it belongs to either 4 marks or 8 marks in public examination. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining a minus 4 comma 0 and b 0 comma 6 into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. It is important. So, meaning of the problem is there is a line segment AB and points divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. Okay, now see the diagram. AB is a line segment. Diagram first. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. What is A? Minus 4 comma 0. What is B? 0 comma 6. So A minus 4 comma 0 and B 0 comma 6. And some points are there between A and B. Those points divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. Then you think how many points are there which divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. All the parts should be equal, and this is first point, second point, third point, fourth point. So 3 points are there which divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. Name the first part as P, second point as Q, third point as R. So 3 points are there which divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. P, Q, R. Then all the parts are equal. Suppose first part is 1, the remaining parts also 1. All the parts are equal. I am taking the first part as 1. Automatically the remaining parts also 1. That is the meaning of 4 equal parts. Means AP, PQ, QR, RB all are equal. Suppose first part is 1, the remaining parts are also 1. Then what is Q? See the diagram. What is Q? Q is the midpoint of AB. What is Q? Q is the midpoint of AB. What is P? P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. What is R? R is the midpoint of QB. That is about midpoint. Okay na? So what is Q? Q is the midpoint of AB. What is P? P is the midpoint of, what is P? P is the midpoint of AQ. R is the midpoint of QB. R. Another one. P divides AB in the ratio. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Okay na? P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So for this problem, 2 models are there. First one by using midpoint. Second one by using ratio. You can do any one. So which model you feel easy, you can follow that model. Q is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AQ. R is the midpoint of QB. That is first one. Second model. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. R divides in the ratio 3:1. Then find out P, Q, R. So two models are there. First model by using midpoint formula. Second model, so what I wrote on the board, second model by using ratio formula. Follow any one. So I want to use midpoint formula because it is very easy and short one. Solution. So given, what is given? A minus 4 comma 0. Then what is B? 0 comma 6. So for this sum, I want to follow midpoint formula. A minus 4 comma 0, B 0 comma 6. Next line. Here P comma Q comma R divides the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. The line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Next, so if you are interested, you can write each part as 1. Then what is Q? Q is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. R is the midpoint of QB. So Q midpoint of AB, P midpoint of AQ, R midpoint of QB. Then write midpoint formula. What is the midpoint of midpoint formula? Write midpoint of A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is P equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. You know the formula for midpoint. What is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Then first to find out Q. What is Q? Q is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of AB. Then what is A? Minus 4 comma 0. Let it be x1 y1. What is B? 0 comma 6 x2 y2. Then substitute Q equal to minus 4 plus 0 by 2 comma 0 plus 6 by 2. What is Q equal to minus 4 by 2, 6 by 2. Q equal to minus 2 comma 3. Cancellation 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. So that is Q. Then find out either P or R. So then P. P is the midpoint of AQ. What is P? P is the midpoint of AQ. What is A? Minus 4 comma 0. What is Q? Minus 2 comma 3. Then apply substitute formula again. Then P equal to substitute. Again this is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Substitute minus 4 plus minus 2 by 2 comma 0 plus 3 by 2. What we get? Minus 6 by 2, 3 by 2. Cancellation. Minus 3 comma 3 by 2. So that is about P. Then about next one about R. R is the midpoint of QB. R is the midpoint of QB. Then R is the midpoint of QB. Q is what? Minus 2 comma 3 x1 y1. B is what? What is B? 0 comma 6 x2 y2. Then substitute R equal to minus 2 plus 0 by 2, 3 plus 6 by 2. Then minus 2 by 2, 9 by 2. One time. So minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So here I follow midpoint formula only. Okay na? So Q is the midpoint of AB, P is the midpoint of AQ, R is the midpoint of QB, and by applying midpoint formula only, you can apply ratio formula also. By applying ratio formula also, you are getting the same answer. So I am getting Q as minus 2 comma 3, P as minus 3 comma 3 by 2, R as minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Okay na? That is problem number 7. Then problem number 8 is same model. Problem number 8. In 7th one, I apply midpoint formula. In 8th one, I want to apply ratio formula. 8th one, same model. Again 4 equal parts. And 8th one is see the 8th sum? Same model. First point is minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2. Second one is 2 comma 8. So, same model. Find the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining by A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Same model into 4 equal parts. Here also two models are there. First model by using midpoint formula. Second model by using ratio formula. Already for 7th one I apply midpoint formula. Same model. Here I want to apply ratio formula. Same diagram again. What we have in 7th one. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. A is what? Minus 2 comma 2. B is what? 2 comma 8. Then 4 equal parts means 3 points. 4 equal parts mean 3 points. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. First point is P. Second point is Q. Third point is R. Same model. And I took the first part as 1. The remaining parts also 1 only. 1, 1, 1. Okay na? Then here I want to apply ratio formula but not midpoint. Already we use midpoint formula in 7th sum. Here I want to apply ratio formula. See the diagram. I took the first part as 1. Automatically the remaining parts are also 1. First P divides, see very important, P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. First part is 1, remaining parts together 3, 1:3. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. Okay now. So here I want to apply ratio formula. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. Then find out P comma Q comma R. Same matter here again. Solution and the same matter given. First point A. minus 2 comma 2, let it be x1 y1. Second part, second point B, 2 comma 8, let it be x2 y2. First point is A, minus 2 comma 2. Second point is B, 2 comma 8, 2 comma 8. Then I told you already what are P, Q, R. P, Q, R are dividing points. Here P comma Q comma R divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. P comma Q comma R divides the line segment into 4 equal parts. I took each part as 1. Then P divides AB in the ratio. P divides AB in the ratio. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Q divides AB in the ratio. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. R divides AB in the ratio. R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. Then what formula to write? Ratio formula write. Formula, ratio formula write. The point which divides the line segment joining AX1 Y1 and BX2 Y2 internally in the ratio M is to N. Internally in the ratio M is to N is P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by M plus N, my2 plus ny1 by M plus N. So that is the formula to write mx2 plus nx1 by M plus N, my2 plus ny1 by M plus N. Then about P. What is the ratio? So P divides AB in the ratio 1:3, you know, M. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3, M. Substitute P equal to, what is M? 1. What is x2? 2. Plus what is N? 3. What is x1? -2 by 1 plus 3. What is M? 1. What is y2? 8. Plus what is N? 3. What is y1? 2 by 1 plus 3. So substitute all the values. What we get? 2 plus or minus 3 2s are 6 by 4. 1 8s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6 by 4. This is subtract minus 4 by 4 and this is 14 by 4. 4 1 time, 4 here, 7 2. So what we get? Minus 1 comma 7 by 2. That is P. So P completed. Then Q. So Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2, or we can write 1:1 also, no problem. Q divides AB in the ratio. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. Again this is M, N. Again substitute Q equal to mx2, 2 into 2 plus nx1, 2 into -2 by 2 plus 2. Then my2, 2 into 8 plus ny1, 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2. Then what we get? 4 plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4 by 4. Then 16 2 2s are 4 by 4. Then 0 by 4. Then 20 by 4. 0 by anything? 0. 4 how many times? 5 times. 0 comma 5. Then finally R. R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. M. R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. M. Again substitute. R equal to 3 into 2 mx2 plus 1 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Again 3 into 8 plus 2 into 3 into 1 into 2 by 3 plus 1. Then so values completed, substitution completed. Then 3 2s are R equal to 3 2s are 6 plus into minus minus 1 2s are 2 by 4. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 2s are 2 by 4. This is 4 by 4 and this is 26 by 4. 4 4 cancel one time. 2 table 13 2 times. So 1 comma 13 by 2. So all completed. Therefore, you write down the values of P, Q, R. Finally, P value how much, Q value how much, R value how much. Finally, write all the 3 answers. Okay now. So homework is do same sums each one time. In the next class, we continue the remaining sums. Thank you, students.